2024 Hyundai Elantra N. After just 3 years, Hyundai's fiery Elantra N Sport Minimal gets an update, adjusting its plan to the more settled vehicle it depends on. Hyundai has made a few changes to the vehicle's suspension framework, yet the 276 horsepower turbocharged 2.0-liter inline-four goes unaltered for 2024, so straight-line execution continues as before. We're content with that. Another 19-inch will plan and new front and back guard covers with refreshed headlamps and taillights outwardly separate the 2024 model from the 2023, and our thought process is an attractive update to an extraordinary game-reduced car. What's new for 2024? However, not a generational change, the revived Hyundai Elantra N hopes to introduce a few vital changes. New front and back guards are joined by great new headlights and taillights. The H logo on the hood is currently dark, and there are 2 new 19-inch wheel plans. There's likewise a couple of changes inside in the method of new seats and a modified controlling haggle handle. Pricing and which one to buy. $36,000. The N comes fully loaded with both attitude and equipment. Amongst the performance upgrades from standard Elantras are a host of technology and safety features, leaving buyers with a handful of paint options to choose from. Engine, transmission, and performance. The Hyundai Elantra N acquires its turbocharged 2.0-liter 4-chamber from the Veloster N hatchback. That motor makes a strong 275 horsepower in the Veloster N, yet because of an overboost highlight the organization calls N Smile Shift, the Elantra N flaunts a 286 horsepower rating. That gives the Elantra N a major power advantage over the correspondingly evaluated Jetta GLI. An 8-speed program is accessible, however we're glad to report a 6-speed manual is standard. During our instrumented testing of an Elantra N with the 8-speed program, we noticed runs to 60 miles per hour in 4.8 seconds and a 13.4-second quarter-mile run with a snare speed of 106 miles per hour. The Elantra N offers sharp choke reaction, fresh taking care of, and a vibrant exhaust note. We likewise observed that the Elantra N's more drawn-out wheelbase gives it a more consistent ride than the Veloster N, however it actually conveys the sure-footedness we search for in a games vehicle. Truth be told, the additional time we enjoy with it, the more the Elantra N affirms its situation as a top player in the zesty game minimal fragment. Ride and handling enhancements. Engine mount membrane reinforced to improve aftershake and agility. G-bushing reinforcement for yaw response and steering precision. Rear suspension/ABS insulator change from rubber to urethane on rear support for improved damping and yaw response. ECS hardware improved for enhancement of body control. ECS software optimized for hardware change. Steering gearbox yoke spec change for improved steering connection and precision. Steering universal joint friction reduction for improved steering precision. Motor-driven power steering software optimized for chassis and steering changes. Tire pressure increase, front 36, rear 34 pounds per square inch, current 35-33, to optimize front axle load increase while maintaining front to rear ride and handling balance. Fuel economy and real-world MPG. The EPA rates the Elantra N at 22 miles per gallon city and 31 miles per gallon highway for models equipped with a manual transmission, and 20 miles per gallon city and 30 miles per gallon highway for automatics. Interior, comfort, and cargo. The standard Elantra's decisively styled lodge has a distinctly cockpit-like look and feel which makes an interpretation of impeccably to the racier Elantra N. The sportier-looking feel is improved by sport seats with forceful supports, metal-emphasized pedals, and a sprinkling of N identifications. Backseat traveler space is more liberal here than in the Veloster N, and the storage compartment offers more space for freight. A sunroof is accessible, yet provided that you get the programmed transmission. Unique exterior and interior features. Front grille and fascia. Side sills. 19-inch forged alloy wheels and Michelin Pilot Sport 4S tires. Rear wing spoiler. Rear fascia with diffuser. Dual exhaust. Steering wheel and shift knob. Instrument cluster and infotainment systems. and light sport bucket seats with illuminated logo. Infotainment and Connectivity. The Elantra's all-digital dashboard carries over to the N model, with a large 10.3-inch digital gauge display sharing real estate with a 10.3-inch infotainment display that's angled slightly toward the driver. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, in-dash navigation, and a Wi-Fi hotspot are all likely to be standard features. Safety and driver assistance features. A host of driver assistance technologies are on the menu as standard features. Key safety features are likely to include standard automated emergency braking with pedestrian detection, standard lane departure warning with lane keeping assist, available adaptive cruise control with lane centering feature.